So my research is in engineering education, robotics education, human robot interaction, as well as open source robotics. This is one of my open source robots. It's a 3D printed modular low cost robot. And the goal of my research is to democratize STEM. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. And research has shown for years that women, girls, Black and Brown students are highly underrepresented in these fields. So, the goal of my work is to create accessible robotics education platforms that young people and not so young people can access in order to learn about STEM. So, the way that I do this is I design these robots and they're modular and modifiable. And I do presentations, workshops, demonstrations for K through 12 teachers, for students, for kids, for college students, for university professors. And then since it's open source, they have access to all of my learning materials, all the things that we use to design these robots so that they can then go back to their homes, 3D print the parts they need, modify whatever they need to modify in order to introduce STEM and robotics to their classrooms, to kids in the community doing service. And as part of my company, Noir STEMinist, my motto is my STEM is for the streets. So you can see my robots in museums and gymnasiums, in libraries, in schools, or wherever the people are. Because just because robotics can be expensive, it does not have to be expensive. So this is one of my 3D printed robots that I use when I go out into the community to teach people about STEM.